let's get straight in to this bomb cut crease. Starting off by setting my brow bone. I'm going into my eyeshadow palette, starting off with Naked. I'm going to blend that above my crease. Now using WIFEY and putting it directly into my crease. And I'm going to wing it out. I'm going to go back in with a little more and do the same on the other eye. Now I'm blending out the edges. Going in with Naked and blending out the edges. Now I'm going back in with WIFEY just to redefine that crease and blending out the edges. Now I'm going in with Guilty and I'm going to define the crease even more. And now I'm blending out the edges and blending everything together. Now going in with my concealer and just cut that crease. And then wing it out. And clean up that wing. Now I'm going in with MOONY and I'm applying it to my lid. Going in with my liner and winging it out just a little. Now using my face primer and applying it to my entire face. Now I'm using my color corrector to create an even base. And I'm blending everything out. Going in with my setting spray and spraying my entire face. Now going in with my foundation and applying it over my entire face. And blending it out evenly with my foundation brush. Now I'm going in with my highlighting shade. I'm going to highlight under my eyes, my forehead, my cupid's bow, my chin, and down the bridge of my nose. And blend everything out. Going back in with my foundation brush and blending out the edges of the concealer. Now I'm going in with my contour shade and I'm going to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, and down the sides of my nose. And blending everything out. Now I'm going in with my foundation brush and blending everything together. Going in with my setting powder and setting under my eyes, my forehead, my cupid's bow, my chin, and down the bridge of my nose. Now going in with my setting powder, setting the rest of my face. Going in with my contour powder and contouring my face. Going in with my blush and applying it to the apples of my cheek. Now using my gel pencil and going into my waterline. Going in with Guilty, I'm going to smoke out that liner. Now going in with WIFEY and blending everything out. Going in with my mascara and applying it to my bottom lashes. Now I'm going in with the shade Pink Me into my tear duct. Going in with my lip liner and lining my lips. Using my matte lipstick and applying it to the center of my lips. Now you can wear it like this, or you can apply a gloss on top. Going in with my setting spray and spraying my entire face. Now using my highlighter and applying it to the highest points of my face. Now I'm going in with my setting spray and spraying my entire face. And there you have it, a plum cut crease. I hope you guys loved it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and comment below. Until next time, you guys.